One winter day, when the sun went down, the evening star came out to play first as usual. It was a big shining star. In a while, other stars came, and then more, and more, and more. Suddenly, a great big star appeared in the sky. It was a strange star. No one wanted to play with it because they were afraid of it. They asked each other,
"Who is it?
What does he want?"
I'm afraid."
Let's go home.
Just a moment. Don't be afraid. Let's ask him his name. Hello, what's your name? I'm the star of Bethlehem. I come from very far away from the east. Why did you come here? God sent the little wise man to Bethlehem. I've got a little way to go yet. Oh, please forgive us.
This is a good lesson for us. We made a big mistake.
You are the star that helped the wise man.
You are the biggest and the most beautiful star in the sky.
We bow before you and ask you to forgive us. Please forgive us this time. I must be going now. The wise men are waiting for me to guide them to Jesus. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, big star.
Λοιπόν, τα χεράκια μας. Ήταν ο Ράμση Χαλή. Η Τζόνα Αρμάνιος. Η Τζόνα Δασκαλίδου. Η Χέλινα Τονοπούλου.